Sorry, I thought there was a monster coming into the room then. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. I have a FeelUnique beauty box to show you. I've done a few of these on my channel, and these are the beauty box where you get to choose the products yourself, which is quite different to all the other kind of subscription boxes. They are all generally deluxe sample sizes, so not like sachets or anything like that, but generally they are smaller versions of, you know, the full size product, but it gives you a chance to try them out. I've had really good boxes so far. I did decide to take a break from the FeelUnique beauty box for now and let them refresh the products and stuff. Otherwise, I'm kind of picking things for the sake of it rather than getting things that I actually really wanted to try. I did get a good box for my last box. A really strange product in here to show. I thought it was a website glitch, but you know, I got it. Okay, so the first product I chose was a new tanning mitt. So this is the Santropay dual-sided velvet luxe applicator mitt. I've been using a Coco and Eve tanning mitt, but you know, when it's on its way out, it's on its way out. So I ordered a new one. Yeah, I've used these before. They are good mitts. And the only thing I would say is that I really like about the Coco and Eve, you get the thumb, and you don't in these, but still, it is a good mitt. The next product I've got is from Diva Curl, and it's styling cream. This is the packaging. Touchable curl definer, define and control, 100% sulfate, silicone, gluten free, style and shape. So it says moisturizing cream styler with jojoba and tapioca starch. Defines, provides hold and tames frizz to leave your curls shiny and totally touchable without the crunch. Usage: distribute through wet curls, scrunch upwards for definition, or smooth downwards to tame. Do not rinse. Style as usual. So the reason I got this is, as you can see here, I washed my hair last night. I left it to dry naturally, and my hair is like wavy curly, as you can see here. So this is like, I've done no styling on it at all. I just left it to dry naturally, and this is what it's like. So I know I've not got really curly hair, but I thought, you know, instead of looking quite like frizzy and messy, this might make it look a bit more done. Might define the curls more and stuff like that, because I do tend to quite like leaving my hair to dry naturally. Yeah, I'm excited to give this a go and see what it looks like when I have washed my hair. And so the next wash, I'm gonna give it a go. This is quite a big sample size as well. This is a 44.3 mil, which will probably get me a good few goes out of that anyway. It's definitely not a, you know, tiny sample by any means. Okay, the next product I chose is from Clinique, and it's a sample size of Take the Day Off, which is their cleansing balm. So I believe this is quite similar to the Elemis cleansing balm in the little yellow pot, but I've never tried this. I do really like the 100-hour moisture burst from Clinique, which I've mentioned before. It's in a little pink pot, so I thought I'd probably like this one as well, to be honest with you. This is a 15 ml tub, and again, you probably wouldn't use much product, to be honest, so it probably, you know, last you a while, so you'd be able to give it a good try, which is what I really like about these boxes, because, you know, they are small, but it gives you a chance to try out these products, which, you know, you might not want to fork out all the money on a Clinique Take the Day Off if you don't know if it's any good or not. The next product I've got is from Natasha Denona, and it's the Macro Blade Liquid Liner. It looks like this. Pro Flow Precision Eyeliner. I'm assuming this is going to be in black, but it doesn't say. Ooh. Ooh, it's a nice tip. It's a very fine liquid liner, which is very pointy. And last but not least, the really random product, which I thought was some sort of glitch on the website, because I'm not really sure how, like, I Okay, so I got 5 ml of filler. I mean, like, this is a full-on injection inside a bottle with 5 milliliters of filler. I mean, I don't know how to use this, and I probably never will. But it was just out of interest when I seen it on the website that I would order it in this beauty box to see if it was real. Free pre-filled sample. Labo. So it's Fillerina 932 Bio Revitalizing with lots of different things in it that I have no idea. Super density effect, hydrolyzed collagen. 9 hyaluronic acids. I mean, can someone tell me if they know what this is? Like, is this really filler that you would inject into your face, or is it kind of something else? Really confused as to why they had this on the website and let me order this. I mean, don't get me wrong, I could open it and it might not be an actual needle. It looks as though it is. I'm so confused. So confused. If anybody can shed any light on this, please let me know. If someone knows that this is an actual real filler or it's some sort of strange moisturiser, please correct me. But yeah, I had to show you because that is just the most random thing I think I've ever seen on a beauty box. Build your own subscription. Here's 5 ml of filler. That was my December beauty box from FeelUnique. I'm really excited to try 4 of the products. Maybe not the last one. Definitely recommend them. I'll link it down below if you are interested in having a look at what they've got. They do refresh the products. I think every month they do add new products to it. So I did decide just to leave it a couple of months and then I'll have another look, say like March time, and see what I can get my hands on there. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.